Welcome to Hardware ZTE Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me ZTE Blade A73, and now I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. First, you need to open the control panel and disable all unnecessary features like Wi-Fi if you're using mobile data, or mobile data if you're using the Wi-Fi. Then disable the hotspot, nearby share, disable location services, and of course you need to reduce the screen brightness and disable the auto brightness feature. The next step you can do is to open the settings and find battery here and choose power saving mode. In this mode your device will live several hours longer, but you can always enable ultra power saving mode. So first you need to disable power saver and click ultra power save. In this mode your device can live several days, because here you can use only 6 applications and 2 of them are native. So in this way your device will live longer. So let's try this mode and write in the comments that it works. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye!